Hey, this is Don Johnson from Airbrush The Magazine. This is the issue for December 2019, featuring Marcus and how to paint that flaming skull on the front. We have pictures in a report from SEMA 2019 when we went and visited SEMA. Rodino does a review of Tamco Brush FX pinstriping paint. Randy does a how-to article on how to properly base one of those thermal mugs that everybody's painting and get it ready for your artwork over your base color. Jim did a step-by-step on the killer skate deck he did for Airbrush the Magazine. And our spotlight is on artist Chad Kidder and Jason Livery, both tremendous artists. Our guest in this issue is George Sedlak. George was the original painter for Evel Knievel back in the day. He did all Evel's helmets and motorcycle. It's available on the website airbrushthemagazine.com. We'd love your support. Have a great Christmas. This is Don Johnson, Airbrush the Magazine. Thank you.